Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to make cupcakes in Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures. So if you want to bake cupcakes in the game, then just follow along. First, open the Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures and then enter the dream house. Then go to kitchen and tap the oven or cooking station to begin the cooking activity. Then select the cupcake recipe if it's available and follow the on-screen instruction by tapping, mixing ingredients, pouring the batter, and decorating the cupcake. Each step is interactive, so complete every task until the cupcakes are finished. And once you're done, you'll receive your completed cupcakes and may earn rewards depending on the activity. Try different recipes as you unlock more cooking options throughout the game. So that was how to make cupcakes in Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.